Let's talk about the one device that connects your whole home to the internet.
Just think about it for a sec. Phones, laptops, TVs, they all need to get online. And they're all sharing one single internet connection coming into your house.
So how do they not create total chaos? Let's imagine a world without a router.
Without a router, internet data just hits a wall. It has absolutely no idea where to go.
Yep, a total digital traffic jam. No streaming, no browsing, nothing works.
And this is where the router comes in, the unsung hero of your home network.
Its main job? To act as a traffic director for all your data.
Okay, here's a simple way to think about it. Your router is like a smart doorman. It gets a data package, checks who it's for, and delivers it instantly. So, let's say your smart TV requests a movie.
The router grabs that data from the internet and sends it straight to your TV.
Or maybe an important email comes in for your laptop.
Again, the router makes sure it gets to the right place, no problem.
So the difference is pretty stark, right? Total chaos versus perfectly organized flow.
In a nutshell, it's your gateway, your director, and your traffic cop all in one. It's really the invisible hero that makes our entire digital life work. So with everything getting connected, what's next? How will our home networks have to evolve?
If you learned something new in this 2 minutes, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.